Hi, my name is Ian Foster, and firstly, may I welcome you to this presentation that I am sure you will find very uplifting and beneficial. Now perhaps you're considering financial trading and you don't know where to begin. Or maybe you have even been trading for a time and you're struggling for success. Learning to trade by discovering how to read any financial market like a book and without any indicators could be your answer. This is achieved by learning what we teach, that is the price action trading method. Let's face it, no one can afford or indeed should take any chances with learning to trade. If they do, it is more than likely going to be very costly. Indeed, it will be much more costly than partaking in proper financial trading. Many people in the past have tried taking shortcuts, and most, if not all, if they're totally honest, will tell you that it has been very, very costly in doing so. In today's marketplace, the number of companies offering financial training is great. But if you're like most people wondering what training to take, or as an existing trader you're wondering how you're ever going to make money trading, you're about to be pleasantly surprised and relieved with what you will learn with us. The price action trading method is a step-by-step all-in-one method that teaches how to trade like a pro. It doesn't matter if you're brand new to financial trading or a trader struggling to be successful. There simply isn't a safer or quicker way to learn effective trading than with the price action trading method. This method was learned specifically for our own benefit, and it is what we have used on a daily basis for this past 18 years. The price action method takes you from the basics of trading through to being a complete professional. This unique trading method gives you, the private trader, the crucial trading skills needed to make money in upward and downward moving markets. It begins with being able to analyze just a single vertical bar and continues until you learn how to trade like a pro using the power of our vertical bar trading pattern. Now, our vertical bar trading pattern identifies every major top or bottom in any market and in any time frame. In fact, it is scientifically impossible for any major top or bottom to occur without this pattern appearing first. Also included in our training workshops is how to trade low volatility bars, high volatility bars, and how to take signals from a lower time frame chart but in the direction of the bigger time frame picture. Now, this enables you to keep your risk smaller but trade with the overall general direction, a very important aspect to trading success. Now I'd like us to look at a few charts, and the first chart we're going to look at is a chart that is taking signals just using a single vertical bar. The time period in this instance is a daily time period, and the instrument that we're trading in this instance again is the Dow Jones 30. Now you can see the blue arrows. Each blue arrow represents a bullish vertical bar. This bullish vertical bar means that there is more buying pressure than selling pressure. Now, being able to take signals simply off this knowledge over a particular 19-day period, you'd have gained £8,950 profit if you were trading at £10 per point on, say, a spread betting company. Very powerful for a simple method, and it's something that people might not look at seriously, but it is something very, very, very worthwhile knowing. And remember, it is the most simplistic form of price action. Price action consists of much more than this, but in its most simplistic form, in this particular instance, you'd have gained £8,950 profit over a 19 trading day period. Now in the next few charts we're going to look at signals and our vertical bar trading pattern and what those signals would have given you. In the examples, the financial instrument that we're going to use is crude oil. Now let me state, crude oil is a very volatile market, and on an intraday basis it moves, or can move rather, quite wildly, and you certainly need to have a very good methodology in which to trade this. And may I say again that there's no better methodology than the price action trading method. Now remember, the vertical bar trading pattern works when trading all financial instruments, and always will do. But it's just the examples that we're going to look at now are crude oil. Now you can see we have, with the arrows, we've indicated tops and bottoms. Now these are not necessarily confirmed vertical bar tops and bottoms. We're just showing where the tops and bottoms are, but we have a very unique way of giving you a confirmation of a top or a bottom being in place in a real-time basis, not looking after the event, but as the event is taking place, we have a unique method in which we can confirm whether that top or whether that bottom is in place. Excuse me. In this particular instance, there was a $400 profit trading crude oil in less than 1 hour. Now there was greater signals if you continued this trading methodology from the top to the bottom, and where we would got a confirmed signal in and confirmed signal out. But in the middle part of this chart, looking at a confirmed signal, you'd have gained $400 of profit per contract in less than 1 hour. Now again, this is also a crude oil chart. We've indicated tops and bottoms here again. And look, if you can see on a real-time basis this forming and this happening, can you imagine to yourself the signals that you would be able to take and the money that that would equate into making? And remembering, with the price action trading method, you know from the outset what your risk is. From the very time that you're about to take your trade, you will know exactly what your risk is. And if that risk is within the boundaries of the methodology and your risk assessment, then you can go for that trade. Now in this chart, we've deliberately not put in any arrows, and we want you to look at the chart and you yourself try to pick out where the vertical bar tops and bottoms are. Now yes, we can see tops and we can see bottoms, but are they confirmed tops and bottoms? Remember, with us, we teach you the confirmed vertical bar top and confirmed vertical bar bottom, and in a real-time basis, exactly when they're confirmed, not after the event, but at the time of the event. Now we can show you chart after chart with vertical bar trading pattern tops and bottoms in any financial traded instrument. When trading price action movements with the vertical bar trading pattern, the trading jigsaw becomes complete. We strongly believe that what we give is an amazing opportunity to be a successful trader, as we literally mentor you until you are. We are a very committed bunch to all our students for the objective of being successful. This is financial trading education that everyone needs and won't be found anywhere else. Let's summarize what you will learn. You will learn how to analyze and trade a single vertical bar, the dual vertical bar, the inside vertical bar, the outside vertical bar, and most importantly, the vertical bar trading pattern. Now, when you put this all together, and put price action as a whole into this complete picture, this gives you a very powerful method to go forward and be successful. Now this equates to knowing how to use price action to trade any market with laser beam accuracy, how to use the vertical bar trading pattern for both buy and sell signals, and how to determine when a new trend has formed or an existing one has ended. Remember the secret: trade with the trend. And also you will learn and know exactly where a protective stop should be placed. This is more than important when trading, knowing exactly where your protective stop should be placed at the time of your trade entry. Remember, you can become a winning trader in any market, whether it be in equities, forex, indices or commodities, in up, down or sideways markets, if you know how to read the market. Learn with us and you will have the knowledge to make smarter and more accurate trades. Now, why is our price action trading method different from anything out there? Quite simply, it's because we teach a methodology that has proven time and time again to actually work, and one that will continue to work because it is based on price. There is no theoretical mumbo jumbo and no guessing with this method. And as a company, we take you by the hand and go from teaching the basics to being able to see the signals just like any pro. The price action trading method will give you everything you need from beginning to end to become a successful trader. Now, if you're interested in learning more, we're presently offering a free Be a Winning Trader coaching session. This is a telephone coaching consultation session that is personal to you. During this session, you will learn how even the simplest yet most powerful basics of price action will give you an understanding of how to read a price chart that will kickstart your trading you thought was probably not possible. You'll also learn during the session how to avoid a key mistake that spells failure. It is a mistake that most traders continually make even if they are not new to trading. And when you're finished with this session, you will have a very clear and precise plan of action, individualized for you by us, that is going to be your way forward, that gives you the best opportunity for trading success. To avail of this free consultation, please enter all of your details in the form below or on the next page. Now remember, you're guaranteed to get an immediate benefit after this consultation. And remember, you've absolutely nothing to lose and everything to gain. It is totally free and you're not obligated in any shape, manner or form.